Good morning, children. I welcome you all to today's session of English literature. And today we will be dealing with the notes of the poem I Know Why the Caged Bird Sing, right? See, this is the poem which we will be dealing. I Know Why the Caged Bird Sing. And we all know that the poetess is Maya Angelou, right? Now, see, children, this poem deals with an era where apartheid was at its height. Apartheid refers to the difference between blacks and whites. Whites used to suppress the blacks and keep them as slaves. And most importantly, please remember this, that it's an autobiographical element is also there. It's an autobiography, means Maya Angelou herself has faced everything. She has metaphorically referred the caged bird to be herself or the peoples belonging to her race. And yeah, she has faced racial oppression and was subjected to physical torture at a young age. And everything which she says in this poem is to express the plight of the blacks. Now, see, in this, we will be dealing with the question and answers which will be given on the basis of or related to this paragraph. This is the first one. A free bird leaps on the back of the wind and floats downstream till the current ends and dips his wing in the orange sun rays and dares to climb the sky. Right? Here, free bird, this is about a free bird. Free bird refers to the whites, right? And the glory of the whites has been expressed here. Now, see the first one. Who is referred to as the free bird in the poem? This is the first part of the question, and the second part is why. So, the poetess Maya Angelou has called the white race as the free bird. Now, this is the first key point here. And why? Because whites enjoyed freedom, prosperity, and a good life. So, three adjectives have been used here to demonstrate what whites enjoyed: freedom, prosperity, and a good life. Now, we come to the second part. To what is the free bird compared to in the first two lines of the extract? How is the action of the bird shown to be free and enjoyable? Now, see, here the answer goes on like this. Free bird in the first two lines of the abstract is shown to be a free creature of nature in its natural habitat, leaping on the ground of a brisk wind. Firstly, it's a free creature, right? And secondly, in its natural habitat, right? So, free creature, natural habitat, leaping on the current of brisk wind, right? So, these are the three key points. See, each your answers which you will be asked in the exam, the questions which will be asked, they will be of either 3 marks or 4 marks, rather 2 marks or 3 marks. So we basically, or 4 marks even. So we basically need a maximum of 4 points in the answer. 3 points will also justify, right? So let us worry about that much only. Now see the third, a free bird leaps on the back of the wind. What is implied comparison is made here? Free bird. Why these words have been written? See the answer. Free bird is implied to be a lucky person of the white race who, see, first point, lucky person of the white race exuberantly leaps on the back of the wind, portraying a visual imagery. Right? It portrays a visual imagery. Explain the meaning of orange sun rays. The early morning rays of the sun are orange. So, first point is the early morning sun. Right? The orange sun ray seems to reflect the sun rays color on its wing. It's also an element of visual imagery, right? So we are having 2 points here. This is how. See, once again, I'm categorically telling you that these are not the be all and end all kind of answers. You can add to it. You can add some more points if you have. You can add some examples, but these answers are good enough to carry the key points. These answers are there to show you some light, that on the basis of what you should constitute your own answers. Okay. Now we come to the last one. How does the free bird dare to claim the sky? Now, firstly, the free bird is flying with mad gaiety. Now, the first thing is mad gaiety. As it leaps and floats in the brisk wind, it dips its feathers reflecting, and if the sun is behaving as its own the whole sky, right? So these are the key points here. And let me stop here. Rest of the questions you can do on your own. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did in making it, right? And until we meet again, it's a goodbye.